From scenic trails to charming towns, this guide to day trips near São Paulo offers everything you need for a memorable adventure close to home.
Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description.
São Paulo boasts an impressive array of cultural institutions including more than 12 million residents, 362 libraries, 58 museums, and 69 theaters and concert halls. Established in 1554, the city underwent significant expansion during the latter half of the 19th century and early 20th century through the influx of immigrants from various parts of the globe, transforming its original village into the bustling metropolis it is known for today. Discover the enigmatic allure of São Paulo's urban landscape during this guided cycling excursion. Your experienced guide will pause frequently to elucidate intriguing details across various neighborhoods, such as Vila Madalena, Pinheiros, Faria Lima, Avenue, Jardins, and Batman. During this tour, your guide will commence by picking you up from your hotel and subsequently transporting you to various neighborhood bars and nightclubs. The itinerary includes exploring Vila Madalena, a vibrant area renowned for its nocturnal ambience. São Paulo offers visitors an array of attractions and culinary delights. A guided orientation tour will introduce you to the area where you are staying, allowing you to learn about the best dining spots and shopping district. São Paulo boasts a diverse array of architectural styles that reflect its rich cultural heritage and historical development. From colonial buildings constructed with organic materials to various European influences that have evolved significantly in Brazil since the mid-19th century, visitors can explore a myriad of architectural marvels during a 4-hour guided tour. Your aviation journey commences at Campo de Marte helipad, where you will undergo a comprehensive safety briefing prior to boarding the helicopter. Subsequently, we embark on an exhilarating aerial tour of São Paulo, capturing breathtaking panoramic vistas of the surrounding landscape. Upon arrival at your location, proceed to board your preferred mode of transportation. Upon reaching the site, make an excursion to the bustling Ibirapuera Park, where you can appreciate the expansive green spaces and capture the iconic photograph of the São Paulo monument.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.